Hey, what's up guys? In this short video, I will show you how to reach or open the smart view on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So for that, let's dive into the video. First, I want to tell you that the Galaxy A17 has the smart view, and it's the good news for you because in the previous models, we missed it. So to use it or open it, you can do from the notification panel. Just drag it down and here we have the smart view. You can use it by tapping this option, and we can also reach it from the settings. Just go to settings and then go to the second option, which is the connected device. And here we have the smart view. You can open it and here it will search for your device. You can go to the settings of the smart view from here. So that's how you can use the smart view on your Samsung Galaxy A17. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Take care. Signing off.